Johnny Depp's funniest moment in court. Hello to everyone. I really hope you've had a wonderful week so far. Let's skip the small talk for a moment and get down to the issue of the day, which is guaranteed to brighten up your day even more. On April 11, 2022, the defamations and countersuit trial proceedings between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard got underway at the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia. Both parties were represented by attorneys. Since the beginning of this, there have been a multitude of allegations and revelations made, and many more are expected to surface in the following days. This has been going on for almost 3 weeks now. Even before the court proceedings began, the highly publicized trial was the topic of conversations in the community. First, Depp initiated legal actions against his ex-wife for defamations in connections with an opinion piece that she had written for the Washington Post. The actor who played Will Turner in Pirates of the Caribbean stated that the opinion piece had a negative impact on both his personal and professional life. Amber Heard had allegedly filed a countersuit against Johnny Depp in the amount of $100 million in response to the defamation case that was initially brought forth by Johnny Depp in February of 2019. Her position in the case is that she never mentioned Depp in the article, and that the actor from Fantastic Beasts is to blame for organizing a harassment campaign against her. Her argument is that she never mentioned Depp in the article. The court proceedings are typically very intense, and at times they can be quite heartbreaking to watch. This is also true for the trial of Johnny Depp. Nonetheless, there have been a few instances over the past few days that have caused laughter to spread throughout the courtroom, significantly lowering the level of intensity surrounding the high-profile case. The attorney for Amber Heard raised an objection to his own question. The attorney for Amber Heard used the word objection and hearsay more than any other phrase, which appeared to be an aggressive strategy to corner Johnny Depp and the rest of his team. On the other hand, this strategy quickly backfired on the former when he objected his own question. He became a laughingstock. The amusing occurrence took place while Ms. Heard's attorney, J. Benjamin Rottenborn, was conducting a cross-examinations of Ben King. King managed the home where Johnny Depp and Amber Heard stayed in Australia while filming the 5th installment of the Pirates of the Caribbean series. Depp and Heard were in Australia to film the 5th installment of the Pirates of the Caribbean series. A discussions of European kisses by Isaac Baruch. Isaac Baruch, a childhood friend of Johnny Depp, was one of the witnesses in the case. Elaine Bradhoff, one of Amber Heard's attorneys, interrogated him, and Baruch became emotional during the tense exchange. Nonetheless, Bradhoff's cross-examinations took a strange turn when he focused on Baruch's alleged kiss with Heard. Mr. Baruch responded to the uncomfortable questions that followed with apparent self-assurance. To the surprise of Miss Bradhoff, Baruch insisted that he had only given her a few pecks. Furthermore, he commented on the style of kisses Elaine Bradhoff was referring to, saying that he is not European. While testifying, Alejandro Romero got into his car and drove off, abandoning his testimony. Isaac Baruch questioning about the style and intensity of the kiss seemed odd, but Alejandro Romero's testimony was even more ridiculous. When Johnny Depp lived in the Eastern Columbia building, Romero was the building's concierge. In the courtroom, a video of his testimony was shown. In the last few days, the front desk employee also gained a lot of attention because of how he testified and provided a wealth of information about the case. Even Johnny Depp was amused by Mr. Romero's antics in the courtroom. However, it was the end of the testimony that was the most amusing and bizarre. At the end, Romero started smoking and even drove off while also the video was still recording. Judges were visibly trying to keep their laughter under control as they witnessed the incident unfold in front of them. A security guard asked Johnny Depp about his privates and the actor responded with a chuckle. In addition to Mr. Alejandro Romero's testimony, Mr. Rottenborn's cross-examinations of the actor's security guard had Johnny Depp and more than half of the courtroom in stitches. Heard's lawyer asked Mr. Starling Jenkins if he had ever seen Johnny Depp urinating in the house and if the actor's thing was out of the house. As soon as the name Johnny Depp was mentioned, the audience burst into applause. Mr. Depp's bodyguard, on the other hand, answered no to the question. During a meeting with Johnny Depp's psychologist, Amber Heard's lawyer inquired about muffins. One of Amber Heard's lawyers, Elaine Bradhoff, veered off topic while questioning Depp's psychologist for the Aquaman star in another bizarre cross-examination. Her attention was drawn to the muffin brought to Miss Heard by Dr. Shannon Curry, the psychologist hired to help her. Memes were born as a result of her incessant questions about the muffins. If you enjoyed viewing the show, we would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to it by clicking the button labeled subscribe. Make sure the notification button is activated so that you are kept abreast of all of the newest videos that we upload.